Hi friends, and this is Barbara. I am back with another meal. This is going to be Mississippi meatballs. Okay, let's get going. We're going to need some home-style meatballs, 32 ounce. Just dump it right on in there. Okay, and then next we're going to need a jar of pepperoncini. Okay, this is whole pepperoncini. You know, save yourself the trouble and get the sliced ones. Don't be like me. I had to slice that and that was messy. Okay, throw in a jar of pepperoncinis. I think I'm just gonna go with half the juice. I don't know why, using my intuition. Okay, and then we're gonna go with butter. Five tablespoons of butter. Okay, and then, ta-da, brown gravy mix. Okay. And next will be a pack of ranch seasoning mix, but I have the, you know, the big thingy. So I am going to go 2 tablespoons. Keeping tablespoons. Who doesn't like ranch? Okay. If you don't like ranch, put that in the comments below. In my head, like, everybody loves ranch. Okay, so next we're going to put in 2 cups of beef broth. 2 cups of beef broth. There we go. And then 1 cup of water. And then from there, let's just stir that, okay? So all those powders get inside of the juice, the broth, the water. That's it. That's it right there. That is it. Okay, put your lid on. And what you can do is high for 7 to 8 hours or low 3 to 4. Oh God, I said that backwards. Sometimes I don't even know what to expect coming out of my mouth. But anyway, you could cook on low 7 to 8 hours, high 3 to 4. Okay, now that I got that fixed, okay, I will be right back to show you what this looks like. Oh, and just a heads up, while this is cooking, you can figure out what you're going to put it over. I'm going to put it over mashed potatoes. Be right back. Okay, hi friends, I am back, and this is done. I also wanted to give you a tip. If you feel like it is too thin, the gravy is too thin, then go ahead and take a half a cup of water and mix 2 tablespoons of cornstarch in that and thicken it up. Okay, and this is what it looks like, because that's what I did. I thickened it up. I thought it was just too runny, and I wanted a more of a gravy texture. Okay, let me scoop that up. I want some pepper in there too. And I'm pouring mine over potato. Mashed potatoes. Okay. And that is what it looks like. It's too hot to taste. Okay, friends. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos, please subscribe. Keep on cooking. Love you guys.